Hello, hello, beautiful people. This is me. I'm your host, and today I wanna open it and share it with you, the holiday collection from Elizabeth Arden. So if you're curious, then keep on watching. Every year, companies coming up with their collections, which usually you can buy it cheaper. What I mean by it, you have to spend certain amount, and then you can buy the collection for less what it's worth. For example, this is Elizabeth Arden Party Ready Holiday Collection. Comes with many different items, and to give you specifics, this thing it's $49 with any 3750 pouches, and this thing it's worth $300. Whatever it's inside this box, it's $300, but because let's say you're gonna buy the perfume or anything else which you want, and it's gonna cost more than $37, you can have this whole thing for $49, make it around to $50. The collection comes in a neat square box, and on the picture you can see what's in it. So that's what's inside, and then on the side it tells you what's in it and gives you the description. Without further ado, let's open up. Now when you open it, in here you have the items, and then underneath, here we go, and then underneath is the actual bag. I took out the items and put them inside this case, so it's gonna be easier for me to show you. And yes, all the items, they fit inside the bags. If you look at the picture, yes, you're getting a lot of items, but the case, it doesn't do it justice, because it's, let's say it's kind of small, but at the same time it is cute. It has a little thing on the top, so you can easily either store your makeup, jewelry, anything you want. And because I would say it's sturdy enough, you can easily travel with it. Besides the case, you're getting two brushes, and let me share with them closer. So one, it's gonna be the blush brush or maybe highlighting brush, whatever you wanna use. And second is the eyeshadow. I will say the handle, it's either plastic or wooden, but the bristles, I don't know what they're made of, but they feel soft, so I will have to put them into use to figure out how they perform. Okay, so those two items we're gonna put inside the case. Then we got full size of their Grand Entrance mascara. I had this mascara previously, but in a small sample. Let's see what they say about it. This mascara, dramatic volume, length and lift. Okay, let me show you the wand which comes in it. So yes, you have a little spikes, so you can easily brush it through your lashes. The set it's $49, but you're getting ampoules. That's their ceramide capsules, where you have 30 capsules, and then full-size mascara. So you know what, even if you're gonna add those two items together, you already paying more than $49, and guess what, you have more items to go through. But I already went through mascara. The ceramide's been on the market for very long time, and they have a cult following because they are so popular. The brand come up with many different ones. So currently they have one with hyaluronic acid, retinol, vitamin C, I know there was something else. From the capsules, you're getting ceramide capsules for the face, one with retinol, and those are the ceramides, but for the eyes. So you can easily try it, ceramides and retinol. What else comes in a set are the two eyeshadow palettes, two lipstick and one face palette. The way how they design it is that one palette it's for the day, one for the night, and you have coordinating lipstick which goes with it. This is a small palette. Apparently it's blushes, but here we go. Let me just show you. I would say it's more as a highlight palette, but let me swatch it for you. They are very soft, but it's still a powder formula. 1, 2, 3. They say it's blush, but you can easily use it as a highlight, especially this one. And let's say in my case, because I'm fair, I can use those two as an eyeshadow, because this as a highlight on me, no, it's not gonna work. If you think about it, this little trio, it's universal. If you have a light skin tone, this can be a highlight, and those two, you can use them as an eyeshadow. But if you're a darker skin tone, those two shades is gonna look beautiful on you. Anyway, let me move over to the lipsticks. So you have two lipsticks that comes in a plastic package. One it's called, try to read this thing. Okay, one it's called Sangria, and the other it's Mulberry Blush. Okay, so that's the Mulberry Blush. Here we go. It's a little, no. Let's see. Oh, it's a pinkish color. Okay, and that was the Sangria. Alright, this is kind of bold. Yeah. So I would say this is more of a day and this is night. But if you're not afraid to wear color during the day, this is beautiful as well. The last thing of the set are the two eyeshadow palettes. Just slide this thing over. And one is for the day, one is for the night. But let me show you them closer. Even though it says day and night, I'm sure you can easily mix them together. I'm gonna swatch them for you so you can easily see the pigmentation. So that's the day palette. And similarly as with the blushes, they're... Okay, when you put your finger in, it feels like a butter, but it's still really soft. Okay, so that's the first 4 shades. Okay, that's the other 4. Those are the swatches from the day palette, and you have 4 mattes and 3 shimmers. This is like half and half. It has a little bit of sparkles, but not too much. So let's say it's half and half between shimmers and mattes. That's the night palette. It has 4 shimmers. I will say like 2 baby sparkles and 1 matte. And let me swatch them for you as well. So that's the first 4 shades. Okay, that's the other 4. Okay, so those are the swatches from the night palette. Even though it says night, if you look at it, those shades, you can easily use it during the day. Every year, Estée Lauder, they come up with Blockbuster, and for the last few Lancome, they have their beauty bags. And as you saw it yourself, now Elizabeth Arden, they decide to join it. Is the set worth buying? If you want to experiment with something new, yeah, sure, because you're having collections of different shades. Also, you can refresh your makeup collection. It's that thing by itself, it's perfect for travel. But in case if you want to buy it and split it, so in that case you can have 2 or 3 gifts for somebody else. So for example, you can give out the palettes and keep the skincare for yourself. And if you never tried the brand, I would say this is a nice set as well, because you have both skincare and makeup. Also, the price of it, it's $50. So for $50, yes, It is worth it. I remember last year they come up with something similar and you could still buy it after Christmas. So in case if you see it, just take a look and you know what? You can easily give it a try. In the meantime, I'm gonna give a try for the palettes. So in case if you wanna see like a tutorial or how the eyeshadow performs, let me know and I see you next time. Bye!